Running a business in Saudi Arabia means VAT, Zakat or corporate tax, e-invoicing and payroll, each with its own ZATCA deadline. Miss one, and the penalties add up. Tetri Copilot handles it for you. Pick your structure: an LLC, a sole establishment, a professional company or a foreign branch, and install your Saudi compliance pack in one click. It builds your calendar automatically, 24 months of dated obligations, mapped to ZATCA and Ministry of Commerce deadlines. VAT by the end of the month after each period, at 15%. Zakat or corporate tax within 120 days of your year end. GOSI payroll and withholding tax when they apply, plus your commercial registration renewal. All scheduled, so nothing slips. And you're reminded ahead of every deadline: 30, 14, 7, 3, and 1 day before, in-app and by email. Not sure what an obligation means? Just ask. The built-in AI compliance assistant explains it in plain language. Stay on top of compliance in Saudi Arabia. Start free today at tetricopilot.com.